To solve this quadratic equation, let's use the technique of completing the square. Let's walk through the process. First, ensure the quadratic equation is written in standard form. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And as you can see, this quadratic equation is in standard form. So fill in the values for a, b, and c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 8, and c is equal to -2. Since a is equal to 1, we'll just be working with the values for b and c. So you take the value for b, the 8, and then you write it as 2 times another number. In this case, 8 can be written as 2 times 4. This same value 4 is then squared. Now you can't just add a number to one side of the equation without changing the equation, so we also have to subtract 4 squared. So you've got the plus 4 squared and then the minus 4 squared, so the equation is unchanged. And then we continue with the value for c, which goes right here, -2. This expression can be rewritten as the square of a linear term. So we can take this and write it as x plus 4, the entire quantity squared, plus -2 minus 4 squared is -2 minus 16, or minus 18. We can simplify this equation by getting rid of the -18 from the left side of the equation, and so we get the quantity x plus 4 squared equals +18. We take the square root of both sides and we get x plus 4 is equal to the square root of 18. And now we can find the two roots. We get rid of 4 from the left side and we get -4 plus or minus the square root of 18.